Restoring items from the recycle bin in Windows 11 is a straightforward process that can help you recover accidentally deleted files and folders. To begin, first ensure that the items you want to restore are still in the recycle bin, as files are permanently deleted after a certain period of time or when the bin is emptied. To restore items from the recycle bin, start by opening the recycle bin, which can be found on your desktop or by searching for it in the Start menu. Once the recycle bin is open, you will see a list of all the files and folders that you have deleted. Browse through the list to find the items you want to restore. To restore a single item, right-click on the file or folder and select Restore. This will move the item back to its original location on your computer. If you want to restore multiple items at once, you can select them all by holding down the Control key while clicking on each item. Then right-click and select Restore. Alternatively, you can also restore all items in the recycle bin at once by clicking on the Manage tab and selecting Restore All Items. However, be cautious when using this option, as it will restore all deleted files and folders, which may include items you intentionally deleted. It is also important to note that if you have emptied the recycle bin, you will not be able to restore items using this method. In such cases, you may need to use third-party data recovery software to recover your deleted files. To avoid losing important files in the future, consider backing up your data regularly and being cautious when deleting items. By following these steps, you can easily restore items from the recycle bin in Windows 11 and recover accidentally deleted files and folders. Remember to always handle the recycle bin with care and take regular backups to prevent data loss.